Alright, I'm going to show you today how to tighten up our tilt limiter on our Aeron Classic today. So as you can see, I have the chair laid forward on the seat and the arm pads like so, just so I can gain access to this spot right here under the clamshell. So here's the mechanism cylinder. We're looking at this screw right here, right there. Alright, I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch hex key. Looks similar like this. And in order to tighten the bolt, I want to go clockwise, and counterclockwise loosens it. And we want to tighten the bolt, so I'm going to go ahead and get an angle on it. See it in there? Got my tool right in there. I'm going to use my other hand, my left hand, to brace the chair and just kind of get a nice firm grip on it and just turn. And I would go a 1/4 turn at a time, maybe a 1/2 turn. Flip the chair over, test it, see if the locking mechanism still falls down. But that's where we're going to start, is tightening this bolt right here and trying that at different positions. So again, I'm just going to use my 1/4 inch hex key to tighten it. And loosen it. All right, hope that helps.